just follow. If you ever encounter this issue using WordPress, so this is what you are going to do. All right, so we won't be able to access any of our websites on the WordPress anymore right now. Currently, this is the error that we'll keep on getting, and this is because we installed a plugin, which is the WooCommerce. After installing it, there is maybe a file actually did not install properly. That's why it is bringing out this error. So the way we can fix this is to actually go about go to our cPanel. So I'm going to log into my cPanel right now. So then log in. Now you can come down, then you go on to Files Manager. All right, so then we have this. Come over to this public HTML. All right, then you can see we have this error log. Okay, this will actually, if you don't know where the error has come from, this is where you are going to. So just click on view, right click and click on view. All right, so this is Jetpack seems to be the problem with all the images that we have. You should see WP content. Okay, that will be content. Then come to plugins. So then this Jetpack, I think that's the problem. So we're gonna reload it, rename. You can say Jetpack underscore old. Then click on rename file. All right, so now we are gonna reload our websites, whether it's going to show or not. And as you can see, the issue has been resolved. So the issue was because of the Jetpack that we are installing, that WooCommerce Jetpack. So we don't need that particular tool actually, and it wants to ruin our website. So that's how to quickly fix that particular problem in case you run into it. And that's even great that I personally run into it, so that you guys can know how to resolve this particular issue. Okay, so if I reload this right now, if we reload our WordPress dashboard right now, kuchineo.com.ng/wp admin, it will be showing now. Okay, so if you come back here to these plugins, so if you come back to the plugins, so you're going to see that the Jetpack plugin has been deactivated because of so what happened, what we did. So we are going to click on delete and click on OK. Okay, so it has been successfully deleted. Now what we need to do now is to do what? Is to go over to the plugins. Okay, click on add new. Then we want to search for Jetpack. Okay, then click on install now. So as you can see, it is installed. Then we click on activate. Then as you can see now, this is now activated right now. So it is now activated. So let's head on back to the plugin section. So simplify your site security. So Jetpack is now available there.